was no such system. Now every system is there, but nobody is there to taking care. আটজন মারা গেছে as per my information from the administration and the doctor. I must congratulate the junior doctors also. They gave even their blood for the patients to save the life of the patients. Also injured, now admitted in Ashida field, but they are not that serious. So here 1,000 admitted. Here maybe more than 20%. Maximum patients are released. Now maybe 2021. Some children are also.
Didi.
37. So what? It is his duty. It is not my duty.